Welcome to the channel. Today I have a quick video for you on my GX. Ever since I got it, I noticed the ugly black big framed rear view mirror on the GX, and that's something that's really bothered me. Like it was driving me nuts, but it didn't take me long. I remedied that very fast, and I found a nice frameless rear view mirror with the same functions and everything, with the garage door buttons and the auto dimming and everything. And I found one from a Toyota Mirai. I think those Toyotas were like the hydrogen Toyotas, hydrogen fuel Toyotas. And anyways, but you can get a frameless mirror from any Toyota or Lexus that has the same design that I got, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And it's a really easy swap, really easy install. So let's go ahead and I'll show you guys exactly what you got to do and how to swap it out. Alright guys, whenever you get in your Lexus GX, this is what you see. This nasty thick framed rear view mirror. It's got the home link and all that stuff. It's an auto dimming mirror, but it's so ugly. Look at that huge frame. It's like it's out of the 90s or something. So I want to show you guys now the mirror that I got. Now I've had the frameless mirror on for many months now, but I put this back on so I can show you guys how to DIY this real quick. So here's the frameless mirror. Let's see, no frame. It's all mirror all the way around. You've got your home link buttons underneath, and it's auto dimming and everything. And I'll put the part numbers and everything in the description and some links down in the description of the video so you guys can get one of these. Now they do have different versions of this mirror. They have one with the home link, they have one without the home link, and they have one with the compass. If you have a compass on your GX, I'm not sure, or temperature reading display also, but mine just has the home link and the auto dimming feature. So let me show you guys. Basically, you need to get the mirror that has this plug right here, that has, you know, this type of mount. Okay, and all you gotta do to remove the old mirror is unscrew this Torx screw. I'll show you. Let me see what size it is. It's a T20. So basically, let me get my radar detector out of here. Now I don't have the screw on here, but because I already had this replaced, but it goes right here. This is where the screw, you gotta unscrew the screw from this mirror. Afterwards, pull down on this plastic bit right here. Take it off, just pull it, slide it down and then pull it towards you. Alright, and then this one, you also just kind of pull it off. You know, it's got some clips here on the sides, right here and right here. And this is what you see. You see your connector for the power. So just go ahead and pull that off. There's a clip. Actually, let me see if I can do this. First, so basically you get your screw out and then you pull the mirror up and slide it off. And then just unclip the connector. There's a little tab right here. Squeeze that in, and that's it. That's how you get rid of this big ugly mirror, and then you step into the future. So you take your new mirror, right? I got this used on eBay. I got it really cheap. Don't remember how much it was. It was less than $100. So it depends on if you're lucky, if you find something cheap at the time of looking, you know, for one of these. But you see, it's got the same type of connector. On this one, it's black, but on this one, it's white. But as long as it's the same type of plug and everything. So you just slide it in. You see there's a little wedge right here. And then the wedge goes in here. You just there, it's slid in. So now you take your screw and transfer it over to this mirror's little hole right here. Where is it? I can't see it. Yeah, right there. And then just screw that in with your Torx 20. I'll show you guys. Very simple to secure it. Make it nice and tight. Not too tight, but just nice and snug. No need for looking for torque specs. And then push your mirror down. Grab your little plastic bits, little covers. All right, first connect your connector. Come on. Just push it in, snaps in place. Then you grab your little plastic cover and it should also snap in. There we go. It's snapped in. And then you take your other black piece, little cover, and also just put it right over this. Bam. And it slide it up. And that's it. Now you've got your rear view mirror. Frameless rear view mirror. And this one's actually pretty cool because, let me show you. You got the little lights for the home link that are like, you'll see them, they're under the mirror. I'll show you now real quick. So, let me turn down this music before this video gets a copyright or whatever. But, alright, let's see if it, you see that? It's right underneath. And it's like built into the glass. And then you've got your little button right here. This is for the auto dimming. So you press that and it's on and off. But yeah guys, that's just a quick video to show you how you can remedy that ugly 90s looking mirror with a nice frameless mirror. Alright you guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. It was just a quick video. I still have my overland build stuff coming. And stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, check the description. There's links and part numbers, or just comment, leave me a comment and ask your question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah guys, I appreciate you subscribing and watching my videos. Till the next one, thanks, bye.